Hi guys, so welcome to today's video. I'm very excited for this video because again I'm continuing this whole makeup. Every time I start a video I seem like I can't talk. I am jumping back in the makeup world, so today I decided to do not my everyday makeup tutorial, because honestly my everyday makeup tutorial is even more than this. Like usually when I wear makeup it's usually heavier on the eyes. The face is pretty much my everyday face. Please excuse my background. I just can't get my background right because this is where I want to film, but my tapestry is not aligned with that at all. I have to like shift everything over and like that doesn't work for me. And yeah, so I'm just gonna get ready. I'm gonna go out shopping with my roommate slash best friend, so we're just gonna get started. I already moisturized my face with the Cetaphil Daily Facial Moisturizer, and I'm out of the shower so my hair is really wet, so I'm sorry. Daily Facial Moisturizer, SPF 15. I have not been using a primer at all. Like, I don't know why. I haven't used a primer in like a month probably. So yeah, we're just gonna get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take my all-time favorite foundation, which I might buy a new one while I'm out because this one's almost gone and I don't have any other foundation I'm liking right now. Slash is in my shade. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in the shade 202, and I've been applying this with my BH Cosmetics brush. It does not have a number, which sucks, but it looks like this. It is the best foundation brush I have found. For eyeshadow, I don't do primer. I just do concealer, and I kind of just pick whatever concealer I see first. So this is my Maybelline one, and I'm just going to apply all over my eyelid. And the eyeshadow is super simple today. Just chill. So to set that, I'm just going to use this white color out of my BH Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid to set the concealer. And then for eyeshadow, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Mad for Matte palette. Start off with this really light peachy tone. It kind of looks like a peachy tone to me, and I just start off with that color and just work it in my crease really messily because it does not have to be perfect. Take this color right next door just to warm it up just a little bit, and I kind of just concentrate this only like in the crease. Like, I don't go too high with this one, but yeah, you still want to blend it out nice, kind of just like that. And that's it for the crease. And then for the lid, it's super simple. I've been taking these e.l.f. liquid eyeshadows. The one I used last time was brushed copper, but I kind of want to try rose gold this time, so I'm going to take this one in rose gold and put it all over my lid. A little bit higher, and then just tap it out. Do the same. I usually do 2 layers of this, and then I'll put like a nice eyeshadow over it. You do not have to put an eyeshadow over it at all because these are beautiful on their own, but I like to be extra. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take my trusty Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. It's super messy, and I'm gonna put this shade right here on top of it. That's gonna look good. Bam! Look at that. That's it for eyeshadow on the top, and now we're gonna move on to concealer. So I have been using my BH Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer in the color 100. So that is what we're gonna do. Okay, and then to set that I use my Dermablend powder with just a small sponge, and I just set right underneath there. Now I'm going to move on to my brows, and all I do for brows is I have like different brow routines, but for today I'm going to take my Naked 2 Basics palette in the color Primal, and then just a, where are you? And then just a nice flat angled brush and just fill them in. Okay, and that is it for really brows. I'll do this one off camera. It's showing up kind of different on camera. My brows are not this warm in real life, but since it's kind of light makeup, I don't really try that hard for my brows. And then I will do this one now. Everything off camera, I took the same 2 eyeshadow colors from the crease and put them on my lower lash line, and then I just powdered the rest of my my where I contour and stuff with my CoverGirl Clean powder in Classic Ivory 510, and then I wiped away my bake. And now for bronzer, I'm going to try a new one on camera actually. It's going to be the e.l.f. Cool bronzer, this color right here, and we're going to see how this works. Alright, so far I like the color. It's not too like orangey. Yeah, I'm liking this. So off camera I do my mascara because my camera's dying, and it's the Lash Paradise. And then what else did I do? I think that's it. So for blush, I'm going to take my Tarte Blush Bizarre, my favorite thing ever. And then I'm going to take this brush from AOA, which is my new favorite blush brush, and this is in F13. And I'm going to take Angelic and Fortune mixed together, which are these two right here. And we're just going to apply this to my cheeks. I love these blushes. I'm not for sure if they're still in stock or anything because it was on sale, and I think it's like only a Christmas thing. But you guys should definitely go check. These are just my favorite formula because they're not too pigmented, because if a blush is too pigmented for me, it just doesn't work because it's too hard to work with. And these are just perfect because they're pigmented, but they're not like overly pigmented, which is hard to work with in my opinion. And they blend seamlessly. And highlights, I am first going to take my AOA Studio Wonder Baked Highlighter in the color Cream Puff. Take this one, I guess. And highlight my cheekbones. Over it, I'm going to take this out of my blush palette as well, called Whimsical. And we're going to put that right over it. I love this combo lately. Like, it's literally perfect. Oh, my favorite. And good to go. And for lips, I literally have just been like popping on a lip gloss, like a lip chapstick. So for today, I'm going to use this Revlon Kiss in the Juicy Peach. My elbow, my hair is still wet, so I'm really sorry about that. That's the end of this video. It is like my super light eyeshadow makeup. I know some people may think this isn't even that light, but to me it's light. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.